Welcome to part 4 of our movie series. In this video, you will learn how to display list using CollectionView and how to bind collections from your view model. CollectionView is the primary way to show list in .NET Movie. It is flexible, fast and customizable. Here is a simple collection view that binds to a product's collection. Each item displays a product name and price. We will define a simple model class called product with properties for name and price. We use observable collection so that changes in the list reflect automatically in the UI. As always, set the binding context in your code behind to connect your UI with the view model. Use frames, colors, and layouts to make your list visually appealing and easier to scan. Enable item selection by binding the selected item property to your view model. You can then respond to it in your logic. You can also handle selection directly in code behind using the selection changed event to show alerts or navigate. CollectionView supports grids too. Just change items layout to vertical grid with the number of columns. Bind to real-world data by calling APIs and populating the observable collection. MAUI works well with REST services. To summarize, MAUI is your future-ready UI platform. One project can run on Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS with the full power of .NET. In the next video, we will build a master detail interface. Tap a list item and navigate to a detail screen that shows its full info. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more .NET Movie tips.